Good afternoon. How are you?
Good, thanks.
Firstly, can you introduce yourself to us?
Of course. Good afternoon, interviewers. I'm Tiago, applying for this position of technical of development. As you can see from my resume, my basic information is that I graduated from TCU as an undergraduate and major in thermal energy and power engineering. Then I worked in Shanghai Copilot compressor companies for 2 years as a mechanical drawing engineer. Finally, I took postgraduate courses in UOW, major in thermal energy and major in mechanics. For the position to be applied for today, my understanding is that it's mainly engaged in the development and the maintenance of the energy equipment. Moreover, the design of the energy system and the environment protection structure. Such a position is very challenging for me. At the same time, I think I also have the qualification to be qualified for this position. During my 2 years of work, I have done the research and development and the design of the equipment and energy equipment compressor. Although this is not related to the position I want to apply for, it has the same requirement for personal ability, which require the time management and the system research and development ability. I have done a good job, which is foundations of my coming here.
Okay, then can you describe a time where you have to work in a diverse team? And what challenges did you face and how did you overcome them?
Yeah, of course. When it comes to diverse team, during my 2 years studying in the Australia, most of the courses were designed to work side by side with a diverse group and achieve the goal effectively. What impressed me most was my group in professional communication and engineering workplace practice. Our group members come from India, Nepal, Vietnam, Australia, and me from China. We get along well, but there are also have some challenges such as communication, cultural shock, and time management. The biggest challenge I remember is that the way we work were different. Generally speaking, some members prefer to focus on computer tasks a few days before deadline, while others prefer to finish the task adhered to the schedule. To address this challenge, I used the time management abilities. I learned at work and during my studies not only divided the task into work breakdown structure and periodism, but also to combine Gantt chart, most detailed assignments and scheduling of group project. I have to say we have also achieved a good result, and our group project also achieved high distinction results.
Oh, well. Then can you please describe a time when you have to use your technical competence to solve a problem which resulted in a possible outcome?
Yeah, to be honestly, I believe I have relatively strong 3D modeling ability. In addition to my continuous learning and applications of this ability during 2 years of work, I also made a full use of the technical competence in the group projects of advanced robotics. A graduate courses at the University of Wollongong. Our team's goals at that time were designed not robotic arm, so that it could automatically complete the process of the picking up nuts, washer, and assembling under the programming of the MATLAB. Although this project covers a lot of mechanical and electronical knowledge, 3D modeling is basically not involved in it. In order to let the team member better understand of our design, I used SolidWorks and Inventor, these two 3D modeling software to draw a very detailed three-dimensional models of our robotic arm and simulate the assembly process in it. This is not only allow us to confirm the size and the dimension and the type of the whole robot, but also have a positive impact on program coding in MATLAB. The final result is that we have achieved very good results, and each group member and classmates and teachers who listen to the presentation have a more intuitive understanding of our design.
Okay, amazing experience. Finally, do you have any questions for us?
Oh, actually, I do have some questions. Number one, if I am lucky to be accepted by your company, is there any need for me to study and prepare in advance before joining the company? And number two, I learned that we are a sustainable company, so I would like to ask, what is the biggest challenge facing for our team? And number three, what are the requirements for the ideal candidates in the enterprise? And the final question, I desire to join your company and follow the goal for the benefits of the next generation. So what capabilities or qualification do you think I currently lack?
Okay, I will answer your questions by the email later and send you the interview result to you. So that is all the contents of today's interview. Thank you.
Thank you. See ya.